Oh, yep, sorry about that. Thank you. Okay, well, he's getting all spun up. What's he gonna do? He's gonna come out of the passenger side, maybe. He's gonna probably get on the roof there. He's getting out on the roof. My guess he's gonna come in on top of the roof.
This man is not lounging by the road. He's listening to a narrator's voice that doesn't really speak. Wakes the warrior within.
Well, he went over to the passenger side. I don't know what he did. Maybe creep a little south into the east. Just slowly creep. Okay. 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 Easy, easy, easy. Just creep around. I know. Hold in here. Yeah, I reported it twice.
Again, we're just streaming live for you. This man stuck inside his vehicle here in Los Angeles County, California, where they are suffering from severe weather right now. Flash flood warnings and severe thunderstorms in effect for some mountain and desert areas, as well as parts of the IE. We are streaming here live on the Fox News Now stream. We appreciate you watching.
Well, we can see this truck is still in need of rescue. The driver of this truck, I should say, LA County, he's getting out of the truck right now. We're bringing you this live. Getting out of the truck, climbing up on top of the roof. The truck must have been filling with water. This is the worker and his paint contractor who's been sitting in this car for at least 20, 30 minutes now. Now, we understand that LA County Fire is en route. They may do a hoist rescue out here. This water is just too deep to get any of those vehicles in there, but they have to deal with these power lines too. So a very tight area for them to do a hoist rescue. We're going to see how they do that, but I'm not sure what this guy is doing right now. Maybe getting a skateboard. Okay, getting his skateboard out, wants to save that as he crawls around his truck bed, getting around all that debris in the back. I'm not sure if they'll let him bring that up with him in the helicopter, but we'll see. But LA County Fire, 2 fire helicopters en route along with Sheriff's Air Rescue 5, and they're going to try to get this guy off the top of this truck. Well, maybe he's going back in. We'll see exactly how this happens. We'll keep you updated, Mark and Colleen.
Wow, everybody, take a look at that. He just climbed back inside his truck here, where they are suffering from severe weather in Los Angeles County, California. Severe thunderstorms in effect for the rest of the evening here. We'll keep you updated live here on the Fox News Now stream.
Yep, we see him. Yeah, it's closer than it looks, but they got a little bit of a window. Yeah. He really likes that skateboard, doesn't he? I think he's the only one. I haven't seen anything else moving in there. Yeah, I think so. Hey, you got their frequency up? Counties.